Today we're making a paper chain snake. Download the template and you will also need scissors, a marker pen and some glue. Decorate your template how you like, then cut it out. Today I've used some green paper, but you can use anything you like. And I've decorated mine with a diamond shape with spots, but anything you like. Okay, when you've decorated your template, you want to glue, like so, and create a chain like that. Okay, then you take your next one, a bit more glue, and what we do this time, we're going to thread it through and we're creating a chain. Now you can make this as long as you like. All right, here is the body of my snake. Cut out your eyes and tongue and decorate your tail piece. All right, when you're finished decorating, then you can attach the head. So simply glue, plenty of glue, and attach like so. And so it looks like this. Okay, now the head's attached, we're going to attach the tail. So, just going to glue, plenty of glue, and we thread the tail through the last piece of chain. And there we go, tail's attached. Now you've made your snake, have lots of fun.